Today's video covers GIFT Nifty's sluggish start, bearish global trends, and the Fed's key rate decision. Plus, insights into Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Vishal Mega Mart's market debut. GIFT Nifty is indicating a sluggish start this Wednesday. Blame it on 1. India's slowing economic growth, which is likely to mean that capital flows will be weak. FIIs are likely to be net sellers of Indian equities this quarter. 2. Denting sentiments are media reports that China plans to increase its budget deficit to 4% in 2025, which could restrict foreign inflows into India. The street is anticipating a rise in Beijing stimulus measures. 3. The street is also apprehensive on the theme that Trump will impose tariffs next year. For the day, all anxious eyes turn towards the FOMC interest rate policy decision, which will be wired this Wednesday, 18th December at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. A 25 basis point Fed rate cut fully priced in, but the street is suspecting that the Fed may signal a short-term pause or dial back expectations for cuts in 2025. So, traders will be keeping a close eye on the release of the summary of economic projections, September, to grasp the path of interest rates in 2025. Lower interest rates are usually a tailwind for equities. However, there is growing speculation that the Fed might adopt a gradual stance as the upcoming Trump administration hints at inflation-prone fiscal policies. Long story short, Nifty seen trading sluggish for the day on bets that Fed will back fewer rate cuts in 2025. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 6410 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2707 crores. Sentiments have turned risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions on the daily charts. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 14.48 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 0.95 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 0.66. Nifty outlook, an up and down session is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4336. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 24,171 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,455 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,200 and 24,450. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 52835. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 52,200 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,300 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 52,100 and 53100. Bias for the day is negative. Bears on prowl. In yesterday's trade, Nifty attracted bears for second straight day. The pessimism was such that all sectoral indices ended in red. Buzzing stocks. 1. ITC has set 1st January 2025 as the appointed date and the effective date for the demerger of the hotel business of the company. 2. All bullish eyes on Vishal Mega Mart's Dalal Street debut today, Wednesday, 18th December 2024. The 8,000 crore rupees offering of Vishal Mega Mart had witnessed an oversubscription of 27.28 times.